Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we had a 2006 Subaru Outback 4th generation. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 9th month 2003 to the 8th month 2009. This vehicle is fitted with an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an all-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate. Has a tow bar. Right-hand tail light. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door. Right-hand front door. Right-hand power door mirror. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Right-hand fog light. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC climate control, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.